Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Let's talk about brain health. Alzheimer's and dementia affect millions worldwide, gradually stealing away our memories and cognitive abilities. While there's no guaranteed way to prevent these diseases, research suggests that lifestyle choices, especially our diet, play a significant role in brain health. Think of your brain as a high-performance engine needing the right fuel. Instead of processed foods and sugary drinks, focus on nutrient-rich foods that nourish your brain. That's where superfoods come in, packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that support brain health. In this video, we'll explore the top superfoods to keep your brain sharp and focused. Let's start with berries: blueberries, strawberries, raspberries and blackberries. These little gems are packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which improve memory and cognitive function. Flavonoids reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, protecting your brain cells. Next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a handful of berries for a delicious brain boost. Next up, leafy greens like spinach, kale and Swiss chard. These are loaded with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants essential for brain health. Folate, a B vitamin in leafy greens, plays a crucial role in cognitive function and neurotransmitter production. They're also rich in vitamin K and lutein, which protect your eyes and brain. Add them to smoothies, salads or sauté them for a brain-boosting side dish. Let's dive into omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, tuna and mackerel. Omega-3s are crucial for brain health, making up a significant portion of brain cell membranes. Studies show that regular consumption of fatty fish lowers the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish each week for brain-boosting benefits. Nuts like almonds, walnuts and pistachios are packed with brain-healthy nutrients. Vitamin E in nuts protects brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Nuts are also a good source of magnesium, which regulates neurotransmitters and improves sleep quality. Include a variety of nuts in your diet for a convenient brain boost. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, gets its brain-boosting powers from curcumin. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and can cross the blood-brain barrier. It helps reduce inflammation, protect brain cells, and stimulate the growth of new brain cells. Add turmeric to your next curry, smoothie, or soup for a healthy brain boost. Olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, is rich in monounsaturated fats. Oleocanthal in olive oil reduces inflammation and protects brain cells. Oleic acid improves blood flow to the brain, essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients. Use olive oil for cooking, salad dressings and drizzling over vegetables for brain benefits. Dark chocolate, especially with at least 70% cocoa, is rich in flavonoids. Flavonoids improve blood flow to the brain and stimulate the production of new brain cells. Studies show that regular consumption of dark chocolate enhances memory and cognitive function. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate guilt-free for a delicious brain boost. Green tea is packed with antioxidants like catechins and L-theanine. Catechins protect brain cells from damage and reduce inflammation. L-theanine promotes relaxation, improves attention, and works with caffeine to enhance cognitive performance. Sip on green tea for a soothing brain boost. So there you have it. 8 superfoods to keep your brain sharp and focused. From berries and leafy greens to fatty fish and nuts, these foods provide essential nutrients for brain health. Incorporate these superfoods into your daily meals and snacks. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more health tips. Take care of your brain, and it will take care of you.